It's painting day! The setup you have on your table, you have our dog bowl with our water and sponge for cleaning our brush, and we have our cake tempera palette. Today when you are cleaning your brush, you're going to remember to press and flip gently to the bottom of your bowl. Your paintbrush needs to stay tilted to its side so you can gently press and flip to the bottom of the bowl. You can do this to clean your brush or to get water on your brush. Clean your paintbrush off in between each color so your palette stays nice and clean. You can do this by pressing and flipping to the sponge and the water and back and forth. Remember, don't touch the sponge or the water. Please don't splash your water around or tap your brush on the side. This makes a big mess and can get paint all over the table and your artwork. Tempera cakes come dry, so you have to activate or wake up the paint by adding water. Put water on your paintbrush, pick your color, and go in a circular motion to wake up the paint. Once the paint has enough water on it, then you can use it on your paper. When you're painting, you have to have enough water on your paintbrush and in your paint so that your paint moves smoothly on the paper. If your paint starts leaving streaks, that's because you do not have enough water. If you want a lighter value of the same color, add extra water to your paper with your paintbrush. When you're painting, you want to make sure your tip of your paintbrush is on its tippy toes, kind of like a ballerina dances on their tippy toes. If your paintbrush is not on its tippy toes and you're scrubbing your paper with your paintbrush, you'll probably get a hole in your paper. If you want to mix two colors, the easiest way to do that is on your paper. You can layer the two colors by painting one, cleaning your paintbrush, and then painting the second color. At the end of class, make sure you listen to instructions on where to put your paper when you're finished. Clean your area, clean your paintbrush, put it on the tray, and make sure you put your messy mat up.